Who wants to eat ice cream? You ready to go eat ice cream?
Yeah!
Yay! Ice cream! Woo! Oh, how do you make this go? Okay. So there's the ice cream place next by the pho store, you guys. Great combination, right? From hot to cold. Wait, don't go in there yet.
Mommy, it's too fruity.
Okay, let's go way inside. Did you cold? No, go.
Oh, you can wear short pants.
Yeah, Colin. Who told you to wear short pants with snowing?
I don't know. Where's the meat?
Big, this Big Dipper. Creamy. Okay.
Ice cream is so cold.
Ooh, I know, right?
Candy.
Ooh. You can. I'll pay for it. It's on me.
Okay.
Cool. Do they have coffee? Coffee ice cream? I know you want strawberry. Strawberry. Colin, which one do you want? What do you want? Wait, don't do that. Wait. We got Oreo, Kit Kat, M&M's, Mars. They got all sorts of flavors.
Yeah, I see it.
Whoa. Yeah, you guys, what do you guys want?
I want a waffle cone.
Yeah, but what flavor do you want?
Mint.
You want mint?
I
Okay.
want waffle cone, mint.
I don't have the coffee one.
Well, you gotta read that.
I am. I'm reading it. Milk and cookie.
I don't know which one is so good.
Lance, what do you want?
So much candy.
Oh, you want? Oh.
I want this one with the...
You want bubble gum?
No.
That's a birthday cake one? Or
No,
this one?
where's the bubble gum?
Oh, that one's bubble gum one.
Where?
The one that you were looking at.
Up there?
Yep.
How about the party cake?
No, this is the party cake one. Right here.
Where's the bubble gum?
Right there. The bubble gum one is right there. It's pink.
It's top? I thought it was right there.
No, this one is cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
What are we doing? Cup or
What do you want? You want cup or cone?
Like daddy.
Cone.
Okay.
I like candy in there.
Ooh. Yummy.
I want candy.
Yummy.
I want candy. Candy.
Colin, you ready? You got to say yours. You want a cone or cup? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Snickers and a cone?
No, me.
Yes.
When nobody.
It's on the other side. Wow. Yummy.
Yummy. It tastes like cotton candy.
Guys, this is such a big place. I'm gonna ask them.
Look it.
Do they have coffee?
Mommy, take a picture.
I did.
Look it. Mommy, look it.
Yay.
Banana caramel.
Ooh. Yeah. This is so yummy.
Yummy.
Watch this side here. If you put your thumb on it, you should be okay if you eat it, but just in case, okay?
I got a good question. Do you have it like a coffee flavor? But ice
Not
cream?
right now. If it's not here, I don't have it.
Can I get one Oreo waffle cone? This is so exciting. No, they don't. But they probably will in the summer. Yeah, they just, I don't know. Maybe that's one of the flavor. Maybe that's the empty one. Ooh. So yummy.
It's not melting no more.
All right, guys, let's go in. Ice cream in the winter.
Oh man.
I have weird kids. Hey, be careful.
Like old.
Too nice to him.
Bro, where's shorts?
Oh, you guys, it's so cold. It's snowing outside, but my kids are eating ice cream
My boys wearing shorts.
at the fun. Woo! He got mint.
Yes.
What flavor did you get, Colin?
Sneakers.
Sneaker. And I got cotton candy. And Noah, what you get? Mint. I got Oreo. Yay!
Smint.
Mmm. Check those places out. Bye.
Popeyes.